Vygotsky gave a lot of contribution towards telling about what a learner can learn and how it is needed that the learner should be provided help. When we study this, then we definitely study scaffolding by Lev Vygotsky. So it starts, what is scaffolding? So scaffolding by Vygotsky definitely tells that it is a teaching method. What happens in this teaching method? In this, a more knowledgeable other, that means a more knowledgeable person. It might be a teacher, it might be a peer group, it might be a parent, it might be anybody around. So a more knowledgeable person, what does he does? What does he do? He provides temporary support. He provides a temporary support. For what does that temporary support be? It is to break the complex task into smaller steps. And why does he do that? He does it because he wants to help the learner master the skills within the zone of proximal development. Now, what is the zone of proximal development? We usually abbreviate it as ZPD. It is that gap between things that a learner can do himself and the things that a learner does with the help of a more knowledgeable other. That means a more knowledgeable person helps the person who is just at the brim of learning. He has less knowledge, and a more knowledgeable person, that is MKO, helps him to learn it with a further developmental values and add some meaning to the learning content. I hope it is clear that the gap between the ability of a person to learn by himself and the ability of a person which increases when he is given help. That gap between the two things is the zone of proximal development. So when you are by yourself, you know things by yourself, that is your individual knowledge. That individual knowledge is aided by some more knowledgeable other, that is MKO, more knowledgeable person. Previous knowledge increases and it which is broken down into simple steps by the more knowledgeable person, adds meaning to the knowledge you already know.